Hello and welcome once again to Bell CB. We have a Cobra 29LXBT today, and we did a whole bunch of stuff. We've been on this thing for hours. We put an echo board inside here with the control right here in the front. We put an RFX 75 in the back, and we did a Roger beep with a switch in the back. And this is a tune-up report for Joe in Michigan. Let's take a look inside, Joe. See what we put in there real quick. Just a little short clip, and we'll come right back. This is the TRB X3 Echo board. This is the Roger beat board. All the wires neatly run under here, and the RFX 75 is here with its associated wires here. So you have a nice neat package. The echo control is here. Okay, let's get on with the tune-up report. On this watt meter I have 30 watts across the bottom, coming right in at about 15. And on this one I have a peak reading meter, 100 watts plug, 60, 80, 100 right there.
Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, let's see, and that's the beep.